Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Jennifer, and today we're here because we're going to be opening up my June and July Young Living loyalty orders. So real quick, Young Living is an essential oil company. However, they have lots of oil infused products. They have household cleaning products. They have personal care products designed for men, women, children, babies, and even your pets. They have nutritional supplements and cooking items. And so I participate in their loyalty rewards program. So basically that means that I am committed to spending at least $50 each month on Young Living products. And so what I do each month is I go into my cart and I decide what I want to have in my loyalty order for the month. And so usually my orders are a combination of essential oils, personal care products, and household cleaning products, and some supplements here and there as well. And so I have my June and July loyalty orders, but I also have a couple of items that I picked up for free with my loyalty points. So when you participate in the loyalty rewards program, you get a certain percentage back on whatever you spend. And so I'm currently earning 25% back in loyalty points, which is basically like dollars that I can put towards free products. And so every couple months I will go in, I'll spend some of my loyalty points on items that I would like to have. And so 2 orders and some free products is what I'm going to share with you today. So let's go ahead and get into my June order. And so my June order came in this bag, and I wanted to try something new that Young Living was offering. So the 3 essential oils that I have in my June order are from the Jacob and Kait essential oil line, and these are their summer essential oil blends. So we're going to look at those real quick. So it says Simplified by Jacob and Kait. The first one is called Tropical Tango. And like I said, it's part of their summer line. It comes in a 10 milliliter bottle. And so I'm going to read to you what it says is in this particular essential oil. So Simplified by Jacob and Kait, Tropical Tango Essential Oil Blend. It says, take your senses on a trip to the tropics with a sense of ripe coconuts, juicy oranges, and fresh picked florals in our Tropical Tango Essential Oil Blend. And the ingredients are coconut fruit extract, orange, ylang ylang, and spearmint essential oils. So I'm going to open this up and smell it real quick. Oh, that smells very nice. That smells really nice. So that's the first one. The second one is called Seaside. So for the Seaside Essential Oil Blend, it says, invite the scents of a salty ocean air and warm nights on the beach into your home with the Seaside Essential Oil Blend. Reach for it whenever you're longing for a beachside getaway. And its ingredients include lime, orange, cypress, sage, black pepper, seaweed extract, and neroli essential oils. So let's smell this one. It smells really nice too. I like that one. I wasn't sure how I was going to feel about that one, but I really do like it. And then the last one is called Orange Creamsicle. So for this one, it says, the creamy citrusy scent of Orange Creamsicle Essential Oil Blend brings back golden memories of summer sweeps and outdoor fun with friends. And its ingredients are orange, bergamot, vanilla, and wintergreen essential oils. Let's smell this one. I smell a lot of vanilla in that. It smells really nice as well. And so that is the first time I've ordered any of the essential oils from the Jacob and Kait line. I'm pretty sure that they have essential oil blends for fall and things like that too. So if they offer the fall ones this fall, I'll have to try those as well. So those 3 essential oils were what I put into my June loyalty order. So like I said, I was just really interested in trying them. And so now we're into my July order. And so the first item I see is the Morning Start Bath and Shower Gel. So I love Young Living's bath and shower gels, and I usually rotate between the lavender and the Morning Start Bath and Shower Gel. And so this one says, infused with peppermint, lemongrass, rosemary, and juniper essential oils, Morning Start Bath and Shower Gel has a refreshing, uplifting scent. Its mild plant-based formula lathers easily and leaves skin feeling soft, smooth, and clean. Formulated without sulfates, parabens, petrochemicals, synthetic fragrances, artificial colors, or animal-derived ingredients. So usually I rotate between the lavender and the Morning Start. So I was finishing up my lavender bath and shower gel, so I decided to order the Morning Start bath and shower gel. And next I have some small tubes. And so the first tube has a favorite of my husband's. He loves the Shutran Beard Oil. And so the Shutran Beard Oil is part of the men's line. So they have like a aftershave lotion and all kinds of things like that that are all designed with the Shutran essential oil blend in it. And so let me read to you what's in that Shutran essential oil so you'll know what this smells like. All right, the Shutran essential oil blend says, an empowering essential oil blend specially formulated for men to boost feelings of masculinity and confidence. Shutran is perfect for use as a cologne that appeals to both men and women. And it says that it contains Idaho blue spruce, ocotea, ylang ylang, hinoki, coriander, davana, lavender, cedarwood, lemon, and northern lights black spruce. And I think it's a great scent for men. So that is in that beard oil, but they also have a body wash, they have an aftershave lotion, a bar soap, the beard oil, and a shave cream that all feature that Shutran essential oil. So the other tube has lime essential oil, and so lime essential oil is a single. This is a 15 milliliter bottle, and so lime is just a favorite of mine to diffuse during the summertime. I love to diffuse lime with Stress Away, so what I'll do is I'll do heavy parts of lime and then a few drops of Stress Away essential oil blend, and it smells like a margarita in my diffuser, and so it just really smells nice for summertime. Plus there are a lot of summertime diffuser blends that have lime and citrus oils in it, so I needed to pick up another one of those. All right, so there's my June order and my July order, and then I'm gonna show you a couple of free items I've picked up with my loyalty points. So the first free item I picked up was the Satin Facial Scrub in Mint, and so here's what that looks like. Basically, I like to use this on the dry spots of my skin, especially around my chin and my nose. They tend to get kind of dry. I have very dry skin. And so this is a good one to kind of just exfoliate and kind of renew and refresh your skin. So let me read to you what it says about the Satin Facial Scrub. All right, so the Satin Facial Scrub in Mint says, polish and prep your skin with this naturally derived facial scrub. Made with apricot seed powder, a satin facial scrub gently exfoliates the face to lift and remove dry, dead skin cells and reveal bright, even looking skin. And so the directions say to apply directly to moistened skin in a circular motion and then rinse thoroughly and pat dry, use as needed. And then I have another tube, and it's the Shutran Beard Oil again. So I picked up another one of these because I think my husband was getting a little bit low on his Shutran Beard Oil, but usually I put one in almost every single order. And since I didn't put it in my June order, I decided to use some of my loyalty points to pick up a backup for my husband. And then lastly, I have a favorite skincare product for myself. I have the Art Gentle Cleanser. And so Young Living has a lot of face care products for women, and some of those products are part of the Art line. And so from what I understand, Art stands for age refining technology, and that it's probably best used for like mature skin. I am getting older, and so I like to use this. They have a cleanser, they have a toner, and then they have a moisturizer and a heavier moisturizer, and I've used all of them and I love them. So usually I'll either put the gentle cleanser or the refreshing toner in my loyalty orders, and I'll kind of rotate back and forth just like I do with the bath and shower gel, but I didn't do that, and so I just used some of my points to pick this up, and so it's a favorite of mine. Let me read to you what it says about the Art Gentle Cleanser. It says, Art Gentle Cleanser cleanses the skin with a soft, gentle lather infused with skin-loving essential oils. Your face will feel clean and refreshed with a renewed, radiant look. And let's see what the essential oils are in here. So the essential oils are frankincense, real Hawaiian sandalwood, lemon, lavender, and Melissa essential oils, which are all great for your skin. So it's nice to be able to pick this up for free. And so I have my June order, I have my July order, and then I have my free items that I use my loyalty points on. If you have any questions about Young Living, let me know. I will put my referral link in the description box below. That way, if you want to try some of these products, you can just go in and click on that link. It will take you to the Young Living site so you can look around and see the different products that they have. I love their essential oils, personal care products, and supplements. They're all wonderful. So if you have any questions for me, let me know. Until next time, bye guys.